When you first set up a MacBook, one of the questions that often comes up is whether an Apple ID is actually required to use it. The setup process encourages you to sign in, which can make it seem like it's mandatory, but that's not entirely true. A MacBook can function perfectly fine without an Apple ID for basic tasks like browsing, typing documents, or watching videos. However, there are certain features and services that are directly tied to having an Apple ID, and skipping it means you won't have access to those extras. So the real answer depends on how you plan to use your MacBook, whether you just need the essentials or want the full Apple ecosystem experience. Understanding this difference helps you decide what's best for your usage without any confusion during setup. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your MacBook and begin the initial setup process. Step 2. When prompted for an Apple ID, choose Setup Later if you want to skip it. Step 3. Complete the remaining setup steps to access your desktop normally. Step 4. Use your MacBook for basic tasks like browsing, files, and apps without an Apple ID. Step 5. Keep in mind features like App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime require an Apple ID. Step 6. You can sign in anytime later from system settings than Apple ID if needed.